Hi everybody, my name is Drew, and today I'm going to show you how to link Front Range Community College or the Colorado Community College System's databases to Google Scholar. Some of you may be using Google Scholar already, which is totally fine, but linking your database offerings from the college to Google Scholar will just increase your ability to find relevant research. So let's get into it. Google Scholar is scholar.google.com. Pretty easy interface to understand. If you are used to researching databases through the databases on Front Range's website, you'll already know how to do operators and maybe subject term searching, things like that. It pretty much all works the same here at Google Scholar, but it also just looks like a basic Google search, so some of you might enjoy that more than others. But to set up your library or to connect your library databases to Google Scholar, your first instinct might be to come up here where it says My Library, and actually that is not at all where you want to be. This is for when you save articles on Google Scholar. You can click on My Library if you're logged into your account, as I am here, and see the articles you have saved for later viewing. Of course, you have your profile, and then you'll see the hamburger icon or the 3 lines. And then this drop-down menu will offer some of the same things like my profile, my library, but also there's an advanced search feature I should point out. I will say, as a librarian, I kind of find the Google Scholar Advanced Search to be a little bit confusing or not exactly the same as a database advanced search like EBSCO or ProQuest offers. But we'll go down here to Settings. If you click on Settings, of course you'll be taken to the settings here. But what we're really looking for is this link right here that says Library Links. This is where we're going to connect our databases. So you see here, I clicked on Library Links. Right now, this area right below the search bar is blank. But when we type in certain keywords, and I'll provide a list of them here for you that you can use to find your database link. But I'm just going to type in Larimer. And the first thing that pops up is the Front Range Community College Larimer Campus FRCC-LC full text. This is the link to the databases at Front Range Community College and Colorado Community College System. Do not feel that you have to be a student at Larimer campus to access the databases, or should I say link the databases to Google Scholar. This has just been set up by the librarians and staff here at Front Range Community College Larimer campus, where I am, and so that's the name that we have. Maybe in the future you might see FRCC Boulder County or Front Range Community College Westminster or any of the other community colleges within the system. But for now, just know that this link works for all of these students in the system. If you have an S number and you log in with a password, you'll be able to do that using this link. So all I'm going to do now is just hit save. Now we're linked up. So let's just do a quick search here. Let's do this one. You'll notice that if you have used Google Scholar in the past, the way you would access a full text article would be to find a link to the right of the article title with something like this: ResearchGate, ProQuest. But now, when you do searches, you will also start seeing links to articles within the Front Range system. So here is one, for example. If you see the link that says FRCC-LC full text, that means that you can access it through the databases. Let's just scroll and see if we can find one that is only FRCC. Also notice if there are no listings, these are all still just abstracts or simply records in your Google Scholar. You do not have access to these. If you do find an article that you're interested in, but it's not showing as listed in our databases or in Google Scholar, please reach out to Laura Poles, the head librarian, or myself, and we'll do our best to retrieve it from somewhere else in the information universe. Here's one. Investigating the impact of artificial intelligence in the education sector by predicting student performance. Let's click on that. You might be familiar with this screen. You'll just click on Colorado Community College's login to access this article. Again, these are the colleges that have access to the databases through Google Scholar. And we'll log in, and here it is. This is in our Science Direct database by Elsevier. We can read the abstract. You can read the full text in the browser if you so choose. You can also download the PDF. And that is how you link Google Scholar to Front Range Community College databases. Thanks, everybody.